In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent printing and copying in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to make it harder for other people to print or copy your Google Sheets spreadsheet, you can do that by changing that sharing permission. So keep in mind that there isn't a way to completely stop someone from copying information if they can view it, but Google does let you disable the built-in options for downloading, printing, and copying. So here's how to do it. So go ahead and open up that Google Sheets that you want to protect, and then we want to click on that share button on the top right-hand corner of the page. Now in the share setting, now make sure you've shared the file with people that you want to view it. So I'm going to go ahead and add another account of mine. Now to the right, I want to change this from editor because at the moment this person or myself can edit and copy and download. We just want to make this to either viewer or commentator. So with these two selected, they won't have access for the built-in options to download, print, or copy the spreadsheet.